Hey everyone, Sean here. Today we dive into the art of eye makeup. Imagine stepping out with a look that turns heads, using just a few key products and techniques. Whether it's for everyday wear or a special occasion, mastering this makeup routine will elevate your style. First, gather your tools. An eyeshadow primer, a neutral eyeshadow palette, some shimmery eyeshadow, either pencil or gel eyeliner, mascara, and an eyebrow pencil or pomade. Begin by priming your eyelids. Smooth on a thin layer of eyeshadow primer. This step ensures your eyeshadow stays vibrant and crease-free throughout the day. Next, sweep a neutral eyeshadow over your entire eyelid. This base color sets the stage for further shades. Now enhance the crease with a darker neutral tone. Carefully blend this into the crease of your eyelid to add depth and dimension to your eyes. It's time to sparkle. Dab a shimmery eyeshadow onto the center of your eyelid. Feel free to extend this shimmer slightly towards the outer corner for that extra pop. Define your eyes with the eyeliner. Draw a smooth line along your upper lash line. For a more dramatic look, tightline your upper waterline. Bring on the mascara magic. Apply several coats to both your upper and lower lashes. Start at the base and wiggle the wand upwards to maximize volume and coverage. Finally, frame your eyes by filling in your eyebrows with your chosen product. Well-defined brows can dramatically enhance your overall look. A few tips to keep in mind: if eyeshadow is new territory for you, start with neutral shades and gradually mix in different colors. Remember, blending is your best friend for achieving a polished finish. Apply your mascara with zigzag motions to avoid clumps. And for those feeling adventurous, intensify your look with a darker shimmer or a bold winged liner. Thanks for joining me today. If this tutorial inspired you to experiment with your eye makeup, show some love by liking and subscribing for more beauty insights. And don't hesitate to drop a comment below sharing what eye makeup looks you're eager to try next. Happy styling!